Cheap or review watch before using. Most people think booking the cheapest flight is always the smartest move, but you won't believe what happens next when you need to change your ticket. CheapOur is an online travel agency that offers flights, hotels, and car rentals. It often shows low fares that can look very attractive, especially for international travel. The surprising truth is that CheapOur sometimes finds deeply discounted fares through bulk ticket deals. This can save travelers real money, but most people get this wrong. They assume customer support and flexibility will match the airline. In reality, changes, refunds, and cancellations often involve additional service fees and longer wait times. CheapOur is best for travelers who are confident in their travel dates and want the lowest possible fare. The surprising truth is that cheap tickets can cost more when plans change. Subscribe for more honest flight booking reviews that protect your money.